So good. Oh, this is so good. Yeah. Oh, this looks really good. Except the guy in the middle of the video. That's what Steve said. So close. So close. Well, yeah, mate, what you want to do? Lee, where are we? Tell us where we are. You're a bit of a...
We're now in Sydney's Circular Quay. We've got the famous Sydney Harbour Bridge, which Lee's done a bridge climb off.
But no, can you just say what day it is?
It's the, what is it? 31st of December 2011.
Hi.
Hayley. It's Lee. It's Dave.
Okay. Basically, it's going to cry.
Anyway.
Moving on.
And what are we waiting for, Lee? What are we
We
waiting
are
9
waiting
o'clock,
for
9 PM.
something, the 9 o'clock fireworks,
And
which
we are, I'd say 50 metres from the bridge.
and a half minutes away.
And we are part of the what parade? What part of the parade are we?
The light parade.
And there's our little gang back there, their little crew, their table.
Chris, say hello to
There's our little Chris.
Chris. Oh, good timing.
Oh, I like it, I
He
like
did
it.
that for us. Now get
James
the gloves.
Bond, Licence to Thrill.
Yeah. Excellent.
And
And
9
so, yeah,
o'clock
we're just
fireworks.
gonna-
What
we're
is
just
the
gonna
9
chill
o'clock
it in.
fireworks, Lee?
Basically, we're going to chill it in probably the most famous spot to watch fireworks in the world. Sydney Harbour, one of the greatest fireworks in the world. About to kick off, 10 minutes time. We're going to have some fireworks,
And
we're
Lee,
going to have a
as
bit of a
we're-
party, and then we're going to have the main event.
And as
So,
we're turning
stick with
here,
us.
we've got the Opera House here. Sorry, where's the Opera House?
No, Opera House.
So we come around here,
Around
isn't it?
here, yeah. So
If you
follow me.
stick-
You follow me. So this is Circular Quay, just here. This is where we got a boat from. And then if you follow it left, what's coming? There it is. There's the big boy.
What a sight.
That is the Opera House.
And I'm just going to take a quick photo, so I'm going to stop the video now.
Stop.
It's Mr. Rocket along there.
Oh, have a look at this.
The video is 11:15. We've got an hour and a quarter before midnight. This is the crew. I introduce them. This is Hayley. I know Hayley. This here's Toby. This is a friend of mine, 20 years. Move on. This is his friend Ollie. This is Lauren. This is Toby's other half, better half. And then me. And then David.
Hold on, there we go, there we go.
Sal.
Yeah,
No, we did the round.
Hey, what we got, what we got?
What are we doing?
New Year's Eve.
I can't do it. I can't do it on
New
this
Year's
one.
Eve. New Year's Eve, 2011. We're in Sydney Harbour. There's Lee. Lee Dowins, Lee Dowins.
Hello.
Who we got there? Who we got there?
That is Hayley right there.
Who's that guy? Who's this boy?
That is Martin Clunes right there.
Mine There's a celebrity on the
There's a
boat.
celebrity on the boat.
This guy.
It's Ollie. Ollie, friend of Martin Clunes.
Well, this girl.
It's Lauren with Martin Clunes.
Mike Clues. Look at this girl.
Also knows Martin Clues.
Mike Clues. It's Mike Clues.
Hello.
This is Toby, and he's going to tell us the story of the famous jumper of 2011. Go ahead.
So anyway, I was at the bar, a couple of real footballers.
Sometimes I feel like throw my hands up in the air.
Anyway, the barman said, he said, look, I can't serve you those Uzos because apparently he's gay. Don't listen to him. Apparently, apparently there's been a jumper. So I said, what the fuck? Just give me my beer. And he said, no, you can have these beers, but wait a minute, I need to check on something. It looks like there's been a jumper. And I'm like, what the fuck? What kind of jumper are you talking about? Like a sweated, knitted jumper? He's like, no, like a real jumper, overboard, like proper job. So I was like, alright, whatever. Anyway, we start docking into Circular Quay, which is here, what you can see here. Anyway, apparently there's been a jumper, like a proper like jumper. Anyway, obviously a complete loser. So apparently it looks like we're stuck here, and yeah, that's the story so far. But come back in 2 minutes, and I will fill you in the local details. Anyway, this is Billsy signing out. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look at these now. Fucking hell. Look at these boys. Oi, oi! Sydney Harbour Bridge. A fucking load of piss. This is the Parade of Lights Sydney New Year's Eve 2011. It's now 1st of January 2012. We were part of the Parade of Lights since our boat is lit up. You can't zoom in, but there's various boats going back all out. There's the Harbour Bridge.
Not serious. This is not serious. This is not serious. That was it. We're done. Lee. That was it. Good. Look, we're done now. Dave, done now. What we do now? Go back to yours.
Lee nearly got dumped at Manly and he wouldn't have been able to
This
get
is
back.
ridiculous.
Dancing on it, I could eat it.
We nearly got left at Sydney on our own, Lee. Do you not think that is a bit like mental? That we nearly got stranded in Sydney